Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check deleted messages on Viber. If you accidentally deleted a chat or want to recover a message, there are a couple of ways you can try, and I'll walk you through them step by step. First, make sure you've been backing up your Viber chats. Open the Viber app, then tap on More, scroll down and tap on Settings, then tap on Account, and finally, tap on Viber Backup. Here, you'll see the last backup date. If you have a backup from before the message was deleted, you can reinstall Viber and restore your chats during setup to recover your deleted messages. Another trick is to check your notifications. If your phone has notifications enabled for Viber and you haven't cleared them, you might be able to see previews of recent messages. On Android, you can even use a notification log feature to view messages that popped up in your notifications before being deleted. Keep in mind, messages that were deleted after the last backup or aren't in your notifications cannot be recovered. So always make sure your Viber backup is up to date to prevent losing important messages in the future. And that's it, a simple way to check deleted messages on Viber using backups and notifications. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.